guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Happy Cookmas Day 28, guys. Thank you again for hanging out with Cookmas. We are almost to the end of the road. Appreciate that. For today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and make a no-bake delicious pie. It's actually a peanut butter pie. This recipe was given to me by my aunt, and it is very delicious and tasty, and I hope you guys give it a try. So if you're ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. And let's finish out this Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is a very quick and easy, tasty recipe for a peanut butter pie. You can also top this with any of your favorite toppings, from peanut butter cups to peanut butter chips to chocolate, whatever you want. Go ahead and top it how you like. It's going to be very delicious. Hope that you guys did enjoy it. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Let me know if you do like a good peanut butter pie. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.